In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube short with InVideo's AI in minutes. We'll keep this simple, practical, and clear so you can follow along and get your short ready fast. Start by heading to the InVideo website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that says Create AI Video. This is where the platform does the heavy lifting for you, turning your ideas into a ready-to-share short in just a few clicks. Next, choose Create Short Video. This focuses the tool on bite-sized content so you don't have to worry about long timelines or complex edits. When the format options appear, select YouTube Shorts. That tells the system you want a vertical, under 1 minute video that fits YouTube's Shorts format perfectly. Now type in your topic. Keep it specific and punchy. Think of the main value you want to deliver in under 60 seconds. For example, 3 quick tips for better smartphone photos, or how to make cold brew at home. Clear topics lead to clearer videos. Before moving forward, take a moment to tweak a few settings. Choose background music that matches your message. Upbeat for energetic tips, mellow for calm explanations. Keep the music volume in balance so it supports your voice instead of overpowering it. Turn on subtitles to make your short accessible and more engaging, especially for viewers who watch with the sound off. You can also refine the subtitle style so it's clean and easy to read. When you're happy with those choices, click Proceed. You'll see a prompt box where you can add scripts or text. This is your chance to guide the AI. Add the key points you want covered, your preferred tone, friendly, expert, or inspirational, and any lines you want emphasized. If there's a specific call to action, include it here so the AI weaves it in naturally. Once your prompt looks good, click Generate. The system will create your short based on the topic and details you provided, automatically assembling visuals, narration, and captions to match your instructions. Give it a moment to process. This step pulls everything together smoothly. And that's it. Done. By following these steps, you move from idea to finished YouTube short using InVideo's AI with minimal effort and maximum clarity. Keep your topic focused, your music supportive, and your prompt clear, and you'll get a polished short ready to share in minutes.